But a freshwater fish faces the problem of getting rid of the water that enters its body by osmosis through the skin. At the level of the individual cell, whether it is the cell that constitutes a unicellular organism or a cell in the body of a multicellular organism, the problems of homeostasis present themselves in similar ways. The immune system, defense from disease. All living organisms are continuously exposed to substances that are capable of causing them harm. Most organisms protect themselves against such substances in more than one. Animals with backbones, called vertebrates, have these types of general protective mechanisms, but they also have a more advanced protective system called the immune system. The immune system is a complex network of organs containing cells that recognize foreign substances in the body and destroy them. It protects vertebrates against pathogens, or infectious agents, such as viruses, bacteria, fungi, and other parasites. The human immune system is the most complex. Although there are many potentially harmful pathogens, no pathogen can invade or attack all organisms because a pathogen's ability to cause harm requires a susceptible victim, and not all organisms are susceptible to the same pathogens. For instance, the virus that causes AIDS in humans does not infect animals such as dogs, cats, and mice. Similarly, humans are not susceptible to the viruses that cause canine distemper, feline leukemia, and mouse pox. How hormones govern body activities. Hormones are chemical messengers that travel throughout the body coordinating complex processes like growth, metabolism, and fertility. They can influence the function of the immune system, and even alter behavior. Before birth, they guide development of the brain and reproductive system. In response to a signal from the brain, hormones are secreted directly into the blood by the glands that produce and store them. These glands make up what is known as the endocrine system. Endocrine means secreting internally. Chemicals that interfere with the function of hormones are therefore known as endocrine disruptors. The nervous system. Structurally, the nervous system has two components, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. According to the National Institutes of Health, the central nervous system is made up of the brain, spinal cord and nerves. Functionally, the nervous system has two main subdivisions, the somatic, or voluntary, component, and the autonomic, or involuntary, component. The autonomic nervous system regulates certain body processes, such as blood pressure and the rate of breathing, that work without conscious effort, according to Merck manuals. The somatic system consists of nerves that connect the brain and spinal cord with muscles and sensory receptors in the skin.